I gave you my heart.
How you guys doing today? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, the Tina Bibbs TV channel, y'all. Oh, guess what? Tina Bibbs TV. Tina Bibbs TV. You are watching. My goodness. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to pull out of my favorite restaurant. I know they have eyes, and they can see me trying to. I'm already in my bagging out, about to pull off stage, and they started bagging up. So toot, that's what they get. We're gonna try this again, y'all. Tina Bibbs TV, Tina Bibbs TV. You are watching Tina Bibbs TV. Okay. Today is gonna be kind of a different video. Right now, this is part one of the video I'm gonna do a little later. It's gonna be the fact I'm celebrating, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Thank you guys so much. My channel is growing. It's at over like 440 some odd people. Come on, y'all, give me to 500, then we're gonna get to that 1,000, y'all. We're gonna do this together. We're working together. We're working together. We're working together. Okay? You got my back. I got your back. I really do. But today's video is gonna be a bit different. I think I'm gonna do a no talking mukbang, eating my favorite seafood from King Seafood here in Atlanta, and I'm going to just not talk. I'm just gonna eat. I'm celebrating literally over 400 people. To me, that's an accomplishment, y'all, to where I didn't think I was going to go anywhere, because I was questioning other mukbangers. What do I gotta do to get subscribers? What did you do? How long it took for this, then that, what do you need to do? What can I do better? All type of stuff. And I've been getting a lot of different advice and everything, but I know I still gotta get better on some areas, and it will be coming, y'all. As soon as I can get a little more of this, I can get a better camera, whatever I need to do for my backdrop. You know, I need to learn all that, because I'm watching certain people and I'm like, wow, how they do that? How can I do that? Can you tell me, y'all, whoever's watching me that know how I can do my backdrop? Like right now I can have, like I said before, some crab legs or some shrimp or some lobster, corn, broccoli behind my head right now, talking about some seafood. You know what I'm saying? But that's what I want to do today. I'm gonna do a non-talking video of me eating my food once I get to where I need to be. Right now I'm on my way to work as usual and everything, but I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. A fabulous day. I hope you guys are my bibbers. You are my bibber, or my bibbologers. I like that one, bibbologers. Y'all sound like y'all some doctors. Dr. Bibbers. My bibbologers, hey y'all. We're gonna do this thing, okay? Y'all let me know. Y'all want bibbologers or my bibbers? Which one? Tell me which one. So therefore I can address you properly. You know, we always learn you gotta address people the proper way for them to be able to communicate back or to understand what you're saying, things like that. You know what I'm trying to say. They teach us all that back in the day, how to address someone by their proper name. So I need to learn, what name would you like for me to be called? What name would you like to be called? Bibbologers or bibbers? Which one? My opinion, bibbologist sound like it's some type of doctor or some scientist of some sort. Something really deep. I like that one, but y'all let me know. Oh, y'all like my hair today. It's the same hair I've been wearing, but I don't know, I just love this color. Did the color fit me, y'all? How about this color lipstick? Did that fit me? I need to switch up one of these days, but I'm kind of afraid when it comes to certain things. But I don't want to. I like my blonde, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I like my blonde. I really do. See, what I'm doing right now, I'm doing all my talking now. Get out the way, running my mouth now. Because by the time I get to where I'm going so I can eat, I'm not going to be talking. I'm just going to be videoing me eating. That's it. That's it, y'all. And then I gotta do another video of my doing my closing like I do. You know, I gotta figure that out too. But I will get it done. All right, in a moment. Now remember, this is a no talking, seafood eating celebration. All right. I like to end each video by saying that if you think you're going through something, you know, you really feel you're going through the most right now, just know deep in your heart and your mind that someone is going through something way worse or similar. I'm not undermining what you're going through, not at all, ma'am or sir. I'm just giving you some encouragement so therefore you can kind of work through this, because God does not put on us more than we can bear. And a lot of times we would question that too, like, why am I'm going through this, I'm going through that, I'm going through this. But think about back in maybe 10 years ago you went through something. Look at you now, you're here. you're here. You got through it, right? So just know you can get through this. This too shall pass. So keep your head up, love and be loved, do the right things for the right reasons. Be kind on purpose, y'all. Be kind on purpose. And know that Tina Bibbs TV loves you with all her heart. Mwah. Nice hug. Love you guys. Later.
I gave you my heart.